Wow, this video is absolutely amazing. Astonished face fire watching the welding process unfold was fascinating. The way the metal melts and takes shape into stunning designs is just incredible. The skill and precision the welder demonstrated in every movement was mind-blowing. It felt more like an art performance than just a technical process. Fire flex biceps. Honestly, I never realized how beautiful and creative welding could be. The more I watched, the more impressed I became. This video really highlights the importance of this craft and how it can transform materials into something extraordinary.